The Lord be with you.
And with your
A
spirit.
reading from the Holy Gospel according to John.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine grower. He takes away every branch in me that does not bear fruit, and every one that does, he prunes, so that it bears more fruit. You are already pruned because of the word that I spoke to you. Remain in me as I remain in you. Just as a branch cannot bear fruit on its own unless it remains on the vine, so neither can you unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. Whoever remains in me and I in him will bear much fruit, because without me you can do nothing. Anyone who does not remain in me will be thrown out like a branch and wither. People will gather them and throw them into a fire, and they will be burned. If you remain in me, and my words remain in you, ask for whatever you want, and it will be done for you. By this is my Father glorified, that you bear much fruit and become my disciples. Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Noon daw, kapag ang mga pari, obispo, madre, seminarista, kahit na ang mga lay ay nag-retreat, pumunta sa isang retreat house, kadalasan ang unang lang itinatanong doon sa in-charge sa retreat house ay ganito, saan po ang chapel? Saan po ang prayer room? Pero di nagtagal, kapag sila ay nag-retreat, ang unang tanong doon sa in-charge sa retreat house ay ganito, meron po ba kayong internet? At di nagtagal, nag-develop pa, ang tanong ay ganito, meron ba kayong Wi-Fi? And lately, ang tanong ay ganito na, anong password nyo ng Wi-Fi? Alam niyo mga kapatid, halos lahat na yata ngayon may Wi-Fi na, wireless connection. Nag-research ako anong ibig sabihin ng Wi-Fi. Kung acronym ba yan, may meaning ba yan? Wala naman daw, it's just a brand. Parang noon ay hi-fi, high fidelity. Hindi naman to wireless fidelity daw ang Wi-Fi. It's just a brand. It's a connection in the internet or internet connection. Halos lahat may Wi-Fi, pati yung refrigerator naka-Wi-Fi, TV may Wi-Fi, laptop may Wi-Fi. We all want to have an easy access. We want to have a good internet connection, for good connection, for good communication. Maraming magandang nangyayari kapag maganda ang Wi-Fi. Mabilis. Pagka wala naman, maraming nalulungkot. Akalan mo ano nangyari? Walang Wi-Fi kagabi. Di ako makatulog. May problema bang Wi-Fi natin? Sa mga nagtuturo ako ng online. Ang hirap pag walang Wi-Fi. Hindi maganda, hindi stable yung connection. Maraming magandang nangyayari. May mga nai-inlove, nagmamahalan, nag-aasawa pa nga. Dahil sa magandang communication or internet or Wi-Fi. Nagkakaroon ng intimacy, interconnectedness, nagkakaroon ng linkages. Mga kapatid, wala man siguro tayong matatawag na Wi-Fi ang Panginoon, pero siya rin ay may hangarin na magkaroon ng magandang connection sa atin. Very intimate connection. Kung nakinig tayo sa Ebanghelyo, sabi ng ating Panginoon, I am the vine, and you are the branches. It's so intimate that the connection is that very physical. Hindi ka makakita ng sanga na nabubuhay, ng sanga na nagbubunga na hindi nakakonect dun sa puno. In this case, sa ubas. It's so intimate that the connection becomes alive, dynamic, and fruitful. Yun ang gusto ng Panginoon sa atin. Kaya nga sabi niya, without me, you cannot do anything. If the branches are not attached or connected to the vine, it will perish, and it will not bear fruit. Yun pala ang hangarin ng Panginoon sa atin. Paano kaya tayo magkaroon na maganda at intimate na connection sa Panginoon? Yung usual na po natin ginagawa. Actually, nauna na sa Wi-Fi, sa internet. Alam natin to, pwede natin paigtingin. Yung tinatawag nating wireless connection, prayer. Paigtingin natin ang ating wireless connection with the Lord. Our prayer life. Find more time. If you cannot find time, make time for prayer. Kaya yung ating ginagawa, pagsisimba, pagrorosaryo, lahat yan ay nagpapatibay ng ating ugnayan sa Panginoon. Kung gusto natin ng magandang Wi-Fi sa internet or sa ating communication, yan din ang pwede nating gawin sa ating buhay spiritual. Prayer. Probably we could also add our works of mercy. By working, by doing good works, by interacting with people, by helping people, we are also somehow connected with the Lord. Anong sabi ng ating Panginoon? Whatever you did to the least of my brothers and sisters, you do it to me. We make a connection with the Lord. Kaya mga kapatid, kung ang Wi-Fi, ang tunay na meaning, ang tunay na realidad, ay wala siyang acronym. Pwede nating lagyan ng acronym sa ating buhay. Pwede nating sabihin, ang Wi-Fi ay, with intimacy, fruitfulness increases. With intimacy that is with God, fidelity increases. On the other hand, without intimacy with God, fatalism increases. Without intimacy with God, fruitlessness increases. Kaya mamili tayo sa ating buhay. Kung minsan, pupunta tayo sa lugar na magandang internet, malalaman natin yan kumpol-kumpol sa isang sulok. Sana tayo din na magkumpulan palagi sa panalangin, sa paglilingkod, sa pagmamahal. In that way, we become more connected with the Lord. Let's always remember, without Him, we are nothing. Let's improve our Wi-Fi. Para sa ganon, tayo ay magkaroon ng maraming bunga sa buhay.